I'm going to lead you through a guided meditation. Just take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. And one more deep breath in through your nose and then sighing everything out through your mouth. Let your eyes close. Bring your full attention to your lower body. And whether you're sitting on a chair or sitting on the floor, just notice how your lower body feels. Notice the parts of your body that are connected to the floor or to the chair. Notice how you feel in your legs, ankles, knees, all the way up to your hips. And without judging your body, without analyzing, just being fully aware of your lower body right now. Observe those areas of your body that feel open, strong, spacious. And notice those parts of your lower body that feel stuck, maybe tight, tense. Can you find a little bit more softness, more opening in your lower body? And now move your attention up into your torso, your chest, your belly. And again, without judging your body, just noticing what's going on in your belly, abdomen, chest. Notice any sensations or movements that you can feel in your internal organs. And observe any areas of your body that feel open, strong, spacious. And notice any parts of your torso that feel stuck, tight, tense. Can you soften your belly more? Can you open your chest more? Open up your heart. Now move your attention to your shoulders, arms, hands. Notice how your arms, your hands feel. Notice the position of your hands and your fingers. Observe where they rest, and how they feel. Notice if there's any parts of your shoulders, your arms and your hands that feel open, strong, spacious. And observe if there's any parts of your arms and shoulders that feel tight, tense, uncomfortable. And continue to move your awareness up into your neck, the back of your neck, the back of your head, and your facial muscles. Notice how the top of your head and your forehead feel. Notice your lips, your jaw, your chin. And as you observe your head and your face, notice, are there any parts here that feel open, spacious, soft? Are there any parts of your neck, your head and face that feel tight or tense or uncomfortable? Notice if you can find more softness in your forehead, in between your eyebrows. Relax your jaw and your mouth. And then bring your full attention to your breath. Notice your breath coming in and out of your body. Where can you feel the breath? Do you feel it more in your belly, in the sides of your body, in your rib cage? Or can you feel it more in your chest, your heart, the back of your shoulders? And start to make this breath deeper. So on the inhale, you're sending it all the way down into your belly, up into your chest. And as you breathe out, you're exhaling from your chest all the way down to your belly. Deep breaths in, slow, controlled breaths out. Knowing that every breath in brings in new energy, new life. And every breath out has the ability to release any tension, tightness, stress, doubt, or fears. We'll take 3 more breaths. Inhaling slowly, expanding the upper body. And exhaling completely, releasing all tension and tightness, and finding more softness in the body. Take 1 more full breath in, and sigh it out through your mouth. Bring your attention back to your body. As you breathe in, let your chest and heart be open. And as you breathe out, slowly open your eyes.